The world is so small till it ain't. Yeah, I'm building up a wall till it breaks.
Interaction. For our intervention, our baseline and monitor progress. Next, this includes the use of.
Let's go! Go with the back and back.
Tagpila kilo.
We want a ripakol. Hey guys, where are we going?
Cellphone din ka, Tren.
Nasaan?
Then,
What should we get? Bro, though. We are going to Squishy Hunt.
yun ang kaya kayo.
Hi vlog. We are here at the school. We're waiting. Namin sa Carinderia right now. And we're not doing anything. We are so bored. Today we're gonna be meeting Gwen, daughter of mom's bestie. Top from Ugay and pants from Tikok. And slippers from Maunlad.
Getting ready to go dumb, then go more dumb, then we can keep it lit, let's roll.
Not reaction when I'm vlogging. Someone is judging me right now because I'm vlogging. This will be exposed in my YouTube channel. Remember, Mom, when I die, you can watch my. See you guys later. What did you get?
I don't know what this is.
Sushi roll, sisig, and sabaw. I got sushi roll, sabaw, sisig, and yung small lang.
Hi guys! So today's video we're going to unbox a big ass.
This big bag. Okay.
Big
First one. Going strong with
Okay.
with the
Sandals.
sandals. Those you don't have to try it right now.
I think it's Natasha.
And a lot of makeups, guys.
Yeah.
This is Paldo, real shit.
From mommy thing.
Like this is Paldo for real. Look at the brand.
Well,
We have 1, 2, 3,
thank you. I don't like it.
4.
And some chocolate.
Ball pen.
You know. That's
Deodorant.
Yeah.
I want deodorants. Akin to.
to the other
Deodorants. Deodorants.
Shampoo.
What is this?
And this is for nursing.
Pistachio.
Oh,
Pistachio.
We can make a move.
Wow! For eyebrows.
And lip plumper.
Oh, it's so funny kasi pang lip plumper siya lahat.
Oh, really, all of them.
Like a lot of
Your spicy lip. This is more.
makeup products.
I will give me some pants.
Hey, we're good now. I think I need to reserve mine.